In this document, there is an address at the top for Board of Water Works of Contoso. The text Board of Water Works of Contoso needs to be a navigation link. The best way to tag links in a PDF is to use the Create Link tool. In this example, you would highlight the text Board of Water Works of Contoso, open the context menu, and select Create Link. The Create Link dialog will open. In the Link Appearance section, change the link type to your preference. In this example, you can select Invisible Rectangle. In the Link Action section, indicate what type of link this will be: an internal link, a file link, or an external link. The Contoso Water site is an external link, so you would select Open a web page. Then select Next. In the Edit URL dialog, enter the URL for the link. In this case, the link is www.contosowater.org. After you enter the link, click the OK button. If you open the Tags panel, you can see that a link OBJ tag was added to the document. This means that people using screen readers will be able to interact with this link now and open it if they want to do so. Keyboard users will be able to interact with the link by pressing the Tab key. Another common issue is to have multiple links with the same name, but they point to different destinations. In this example, there are 3 links labeled Read More, but each of them points to a different address. This may be confusing for people using screen readers. To avoid this issue, you should give the links unique names. It's much easier to update link text in a PDF source document. However, you can still edit text in a PDF by selecting Edit PDF from the Tools pane. You can then insert your cursor into the highlighted box of text you want to edit. Then, you can edit the text as needed and save the document. In this example, under the Who Are We heading, you could change Read More to Learn More about Contoso's Waterworks program. Make the other links unique too. By changing these Read More links to Read More about Contoso's commitment to your environment and Read More about the wide reach of Contoso, you are allowing screen reader users to make distinctions between the links.